Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Xbox Game Bar Capture option grayed out or disabled on Windows 11, 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand system, click and expand game config store. Open Game DVR Enabled, change value data to 1. Click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click Game DVR. Open App Capture Enabled, change value data to 1. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand software, click and expand policies, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, create new key named as Game DVR. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as Allow Game DVR, change value data to 1. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.